Hi guys, welcome to another session of trigonometry. Okay, so in our previous session we have discussed about the trigonometric ratios of some specific angles and their problem related to those specific angles of trigonometric ratios. Now in this class we're going to study about trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Okay, now we all know what is the meaning of complementary angles, right? Now suppose if I gonna consider a triangle, this is 90, I'm gonna call it as A, B and C. There are two angles, totally three, so one is 90. Suppose angle A plus angle C is 90 degree. Suppose if the sum of the both angles A and C are 90 degree, then A and C are said to be in complementary. Understood? So what are complementary angles? If any two angles in a triangle their sum is equal to 90 degree, then we call it as a complementary angles. Clear? Now let us consider first about angle A. So let's write the trigonometric ratios, guys. Okay, so let's write the trigonometric ratios for A, angle A. Now sine A. What is sine A? BC by AC. And what is cos A? AB by BC. Sorry, AB by AC is it? So AB by AC. And what is tan A? Which is BC by AB. And what is cosec A? Which is exactly 1 by sine. So this is AC by BC. And what is secant? Which is once again cos, 1 by cos. AC by AB. Finally cot A, AB by BC. Now we have got the trigonometric ratios, the value of trigonometric ratios of A, correct? Now these are all the values of A, angle A. Now please do remember these values. Okay, I'll just tell you why. Now suppose if I make the same for C, angle C, I'll just draw it once again. Now if I take a same triangle, and this is 90 degree and this is C, angle C, A, B, C. Now what is sine C? AB by AC. Now please go back for the sine A, or if the angle was A, for which value of trigonometric ratio we got this answer? It was for cos A, correct? What was cos A? AB by AC. Both are similar, isn't it? Sin C is nothing but cos A, right? That's what it has been shown here, right? Now what is angle C? we know that angle A plus angle C is equals to 90 degrees, so that means angle C is nothing but 90 minus angle A. Now instead of C, can I write sine 90 minus A? Now this sine 90 minus A is equal to cos A. So shall I write this now? Sine 90 minus A is nothing but cos A. Wow, look, we got a new expression. Now sine 90 minus A is nothing but cos A. Correct? This is what you need to know. Okay, now similarly, shall we prove it for all the things? Now what should be cos 90 minus A then? So cos 90 minus A should be sin C or sin A, right? So this is what you need to know, guys. Now suppose you need to know like sine is reverse of cos in terms of complementary angles. Now if I write all the values, now we came to know that sine 90 minus A is nothing but cos A. Similarly, cos 90 minus A is nothing but sin A, and it just continues, guys. It just continues for rest of the trigonometric ratios. Now what is tan 90 minus A? I think by this time you should able to tell the answer, right? Cot A. Similarly, cot 90 minus A, which is nothing but tan A. The way I have solved it, right? If you see the way I have solved the ratios, trigonometric ratios for sine, similarly in the same way you need to solve for this. Got it? I think you can do it by yourself, so absolutely there is no such difficulties in that. Since you are by this time you know the concept, you know the basics, so it will be, you can just finish it up just like that. Correct? I know everyone are brilliant than me, huh? So sine 90 degree minus A is nothing but cosec A. So secant 90 minus A is nothing but cosec A. Similarly, cosec 90 minus A is nothing secant A. So these are what complementary angles. So this is what you need to know in complementary angles. Understood? So this will be the end of the theory on complementary angles. So in our next session we're gonna solve some problems once again. Okay, I know problems are always a problem, but it will be very simple, guys. I'm telling you, you just need to know the basics. That's it. Practice on a daily basis, it will become very, very, very simple for you guys. Okay, so please make sure you're practicing these things. So in our next session we'll be solving the problems on trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Okay, so till then make sure you're practicing it, and never forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel, and make sure you're hitting that bell button so that you'll be notified of every new videos. Okay, and make sure if there are any problems which has to be solved, please mention in the comment, so we shall definitely solve it for you guys. Okay, so till then make sure you're gonna practice every problem and you should know the concept very well. Okay, take care, have a great time.